After about 2 months of being quarantined, I'm deciding to finally do something with my hair. So hair is not an important priority at the moment, but I've been feeling very down. I haven't worked since March, and I had just came back from a trip when the stay-at-home policy was put in place in my county, and a lot of my clients canceled on me the day that I got back. Thank God I had like a gig for the Super Bowl driving, and I got like my check from there once I arrived. But in early April, I had already run out of funds. The only good thing about this that I would say, and I'm happy about, is like the environment's response to all of this, like to all of us staying home. It's good for the environment, it's good for the animals, and that I'm like deep down in my heart I'm happy about. As I said, hair is definitely not a priority, but today I decided I'm gonna freaking do my hair. So I've been washing my hair very frequently, almost every single day when I go outside. My hair is very dull. So I turned off my room light so you guys can see the colors coming out and my natural hair is coming through. But because it has those purple tones in it and that old color, you see some of my ends even look black or something, like a very faded black. What I'm gonna do is use the CPR color pigment remover, and this is meant to just remove artificial pigment. It's not gonna lighten my hair. This is the first time that I'm actually gonna use the CPR. I pour 4 ounces of water in an applicator bottle. I slowly add the crystals, I shake it up, and I start applying. It does say to apply a processing cap, but I don't have any. Supposed to heat for 15 to 45 minutes. So I don't have the cap, but I'm gonna use my blow dryer. So instead of a dark gray, I now have a lighter gray, basically. So I don't know if it's because Maria Nilla's pigments are strong or I didn't have the processing cap on. My funds are limited right now and I have to use what I have at home. I'm gonna add a red conditioner.
We're sorry, all circuits are busy. Please try again.
It's officially the next day and I applied the Intense Red conditioner and I'm happy with the result. It's way more vibrant, so it's no longer gray. I also wanted to mention the importance of color theory and product knowledge when it comes to fixing your hair at home. You're to go to a professional, but if you're feeling experimental or you can't afford it, I understand. Just make sure that you're doing a lot of research. My hair without damaging it, it looks shiny, it looks more alive, and this is me. I didn't even style my hair. Something works for one person, it doesn't mean it's gonna work for you. So this is just the way of me fixing my hair, being creative, using the products that I had at home. And speaking of those products, besides the CPR Malibu crystals that I use the Verb Ghost shampoo, which is amazing. It cleanses really well without overstripping and moisturizes it without making it super oily. For conditioner, I use Minu by Davines because it can double up as a mask. You can leave it on your hair for 10 minutes and it just replenishes all the moisture back into your hair. It adds so much shine and it also protects color. And of course, the color is the Bright Red by Maria Nilla, which is very efficient to use. It only took 10 minutes to bring the vibrancy back into my hair.